So for our feather stitch, we are going to be using this part here and this part here. So they're the same, like 8 pieces here. So generally you'd have these like this attached to each other. So we're just going to start very similarly to the fly stitch. So bring it up on one side, bring it down on the other, keeping the loop, and then bring it down to the bottom. And rather than bringing it back down here like we did for the fly stitch, you're just going to take it straight over to the other side. And then bring it down at the bottom. And then to the side again. And then these can go any direction you like. So if you wanted to just continually go right, you could, or left, or continuously alternate. It's totally up to you. And then to finish it, you could just finish it like in there like that, like you would to finish the fly stitch off, just so you're catching that loop. But I'm just going to bring it down here just slightly, so it's just near, so it's more of a Y shape at the bottom, just for the pattern. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to do this colour for the right hand side of this, and the same here, here and here. And then I'm going to do a different colour for the other side, but that is a feather stitch. And that is a feather stitch, so I'm now going to continue with a different colour along the other 4 lines of feather. But that is a feather stitch.